Hey everyone, welcome back to Dazola Designs. This is my little bracelet gems show for you today. I haven't done this on a Tuesday in a while, so I hope you guys enjoy. I just took a little break from making bracelets, but now I'm back in full swing, you guys. All of these can be custom made for you to wear, and these are all in my Etsy shop, and my Etsy link will be right up here somewhere around. So let's get started. Oh, and to let you know, a lot of you have asked, I will have a little giveaway for you at the end of this video. So I'm going to talk a little bit about the beads right now, and let's get started. So the first beads I'm going to talk about is the prehnite. And as you can see, it is a gorgeous, gorgeous, really, really subtle light green in color. And I have the beads right here for you to see. They're so, so gorgeous. This is a 6mm prehnite, and it's so beautiful. It's like a really, really, really light, very subtle green. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the beads. The prehnite, the metaphysical properties actually, is for dreams and intuition. It's believed to increase the power of the dream state. So it's great to use when you're dreaming, if you want to manifest in your dreams, or if you want to try lucid dreaming, that's also wonderful for this. This is also considered a stone of prophecy. So it's really, really cool. This stone forms in the veins of volcanic rock mostly, and it can be found in South Africa. It comes from South Africa, Canada, and Australia. So it's really, really cool. Again, these beads are 6mm, and the stone is prehnite. Very, very beautiful. So next, I'm going to show you the amethyst in free form. This is actually super, super beautiful. I have 3 different kinds of amethyst to show you, and amethyst is always everyone's favorite, right? So these are the freeform beads. They range, probably this is around 6 to 8mm in size. The stones are super, super gorgeous, and amethyst is always everyone's favorite. Just a little bit about amethyst. It is a quartz, and it is the February birthstone. I'll talk more about amethyst as I show my other pieces, but this is the free form again, and this is what the stones look like. They are so gorgeous. All the stones that I get, you guys, are real. So this is 100% real stone. They are not heat treated in any way. It looks like it's a mixture, a little bit of the chevron amethyst you can kind of see in there. But let me talk to you a little bit more about amethyst. People have prized amethyst for thousands and thousands of years. It was used by ancient Egyptians. They used to carve amulets and use them for protection. So isn't that cool? I think it's so awesome. And of course, ancient Greeks used amethyst for jewelry. They also said it would protect against alcoholism. So there you go. Really, really gorgeous. Let me get the round beads now. So these are my chevron amethyst or dream amethyst collection. This side is the 8mm beads, and this is the 6mm beads, and they are super, super gorgeous. Chevron amethyst or dream amethyst is a blend of amethyst and white quartz. So, I mean, I absolutely love these. I could stare at these all days, and I love all day. I love to wear them. The chevron amethyst promotes intuition, and it also promotes healthy relationships. So gorgeous, you guys. I love this, and I love showing these to you. This is what the 8mm beads look like. And these, again, all of my stones are all natural, and they're so gorgeous. Hold on, I have notes here. Amethyst also provides healing, protection, and cleansing. So that's super beautiful. Check that out. Okay, and last but certainly not least is pink tourmaline. This stone is absolutely magnificent. I love the colors. There's like this gorgeous purpley pink with like the cream, and then really beautiful shades of plum. Do you guys see that? It's so beautiful. So of course there are like gemstone quality pink tourmaline. This is just the rock crystal variety, and these beads are 8mm inside, and they are stunning. Pink tourmaline, the actual gemstone, is actually mined in California. I did not know that. The stones are also found in Afghanistan, Brazil, and Madagascar. Let me show you these beads right here. This is also the pink tourmaline. So gorgeous. Pink tourmaline is a stone of love, compassion, and emotional healing. So gorgeous, you guys. I'm so excited. Woo! Okay, everyone. So again, these are the bracelets that I just showed you all, and they are so beautiful. You can find them again in my Etsy shop, and I am going to have a giveaway this time. I'm so excited. I finally built up enough where I feel comfortable having, I've built up enough beads where I feel comfortable having a giveaway, and the giveaway is going to be for one. I will custom make one of these for you. That it will be a 6mm Dream Amethyst bracelet for you or for someone you love. I will custom make it, meaning like I will get your wrist size and then I'll make you one. All you have to do to enter is please subscribe to my channel. Again, I will start posting crystal beads and crystal rocks and crystals on Tuesdays on my channel. So I really like it. I really like bringing them to you. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is answer the following question. And the question is, what was your favorite stone from today's video? Just answer that question down below and you will be entered to win the drawing for this gorgeous 6mm Dream Amethyst bracelet. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really like bringing this to you, and any feedback is wonderful. If you guys would like me to get a certain stone or to review a certain stone to make bracelets or even towers, please let me know down below. I hope you guys are doing very well. Good luck to all of you. I will be picking a winner next Tuesday, okay? So Tuesdays from now on. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.